The trends so far show that the LDF is heading for a big victory in the elections to the local bodies, the panchayats, municipalities and corporations. And this victory is significant because it is being held 4.5 years after the LDF government has come. So this verdict can be seen as a popular approval by the people of Kerala of the performance of the LDF government, its record, its development initiatives, its good work done in the time of the floods, at the time of the COVID, and also the work of the local self-governing institutions. Kerala has a model for the country as a whole about how the local body should function. I think the people of Kerala have given a resounding verdict in favor of the LDF government and the local bodies which have been functioning so remarkably well in the last 4.5 years. And I would like to congratulate the LDF and all its constituents, all its workers for this brilliant victory. Thank you. Well, we know that the Congress-led UDF and the BJP have solely concentrated on conducting a slander campaign against the LDF government, the Chief Minister, the ministers and the leaders of the CPIM making baseless charges about corruption. And both the Congress and the BJP thought this is the way they could discredit the government and the LDF. And I think the people have completely rejected this false propaganda. And
on behalf of the Communist Party of India Marxists, I wish to convey our congratulations and revolutionary salutes to the people of Kerala for a very historic mandate they have given us, the LDF, in Kerala in these local body elections. The LDF's performance is in fact improved from what it was in the earlier local body elections 5 years ago. In the district councils, earlier there were 7 and 7 between LDF, UDF. Now the LDF is likely to get 10 out of the 14. And this is the result of the political line that was followed by the CPIM of posing alternate policies to the BJP-led central government policies and stridently opposing their efforts to deepen communal polarization. Secondly, this is a result of the people's appreciation of the work done by the LDF government in terms of meeting the natural disasters that occurred, the huge natural disasters that happened, and also regarding the pandemic. And it is the result of that good work amongst the people that you see this verdict that has come. Thirdly, I think this verdict is a total rebuff and completely negates the entire disinformation campaign conducted by the BJP and the Congress-led UDF against the LDF, against this government, and personally targeting the Chief Minister, and the character assassination that was done, with the central government using the central agencies like the Enforcement Department, etc., in trying to target and destabilize this government. All this has been answered by the people in these elections. So we think that the great boasting that was done by the BJP, that they are going to have a massive advance in these elections, capture the Trivandrum Corporation, all that has been completely negated. So therefore we once again salute our people of Kerala, the workers of the LDF, who've done a remarkable campaign maintaining the decorum, the COVID protocols, and the people of Kerala for coming out to vote in large numbers. Well, the people have seen all these things. We, as I told you, always, we are a party. Whatever be the discussions we have inside us, the net result finally is the party line. There we are all united. And that I think people have understood. They've seen that here is a party that responds to people's reactions. Here is a party that is conscious and cognizant of what the people want. And here is a party that delivers. So I think that is the meaning of the verdict.
Does this also imply that the LDF may go through an issue against central leaders for
All that, the elections come at that time, we'll let you know. That is all. Right now, this is a big victory, and therefore, once again, congratulations and salutes to the people of Kerala.